Hi Cybertruck fans, I'm Ellie with T-sportline, and today I have a very special Cybertruck that I want to share with you that starts off with a very bold statement. We didn't invent tires, we just made them better. Registered, quote, trademark for XComp tires. The owner of this company is a true VIP and a longtime client and has become a personal friend of mine. And for him to go ahead and trust T-sportline once again to go ahead and make his Tesla better falls right in line on how he just makes tires better. And before we get into his wonderful brand called XComp, let's talk about this one-of-a-kind Cybertruck that we just finished customizing for him. Let's start with the exterior. It is a very unique wrap that also involves some paint. Starting off with the brand new dynamic PPF frozen matte white color change PPF brought to you by our friends at Nuys. This new color is really cool and it is exactly as described. Looks like a frozen matte white wrap. And that was the beginning of this exterior transformation. From there, we did something that we've never done before. We went ahead and meticulously refinished the front and rear bumpers, the wheel arches, the side skirt rocker panels, the upper mirror caps, typically done in a gloss black finish, or maybe you would have thought a matching frozen matte white finish, but instead in a unique one-of-one frozen matte blue finish. And this customer really likes this color combo. It's also part of their logo and their color scheme. So again, setting the tone. From there, we're going to move into a little bit of custom badging and custom signage that T-sportline offers. Not just our Foundation Series badges, which are really popular, but how about putting your company logo in your company font exactly replicated onto your Cybertruck, or the custom slogan like you saw in the rear? Or how about this really cool lightning bolt that he wanted us to go ahead and put here? Again, another first, pretty cool. And then, of course, I love my customers that tell me, you know what, Ellie? Go ahead and make sure you put T-sportline on my Cybertruck. And that's exactly what we did here in the super cool Cyber graffiti font. Now, let's talk about more of the exterior. As you can see, he opted for our very cool light bar. This is a Cyber Beast. And even though he has a light bar coming to him from Tesla as part of this Foundation Series Cyber Beast, he said, nah, let's put the T-sportline light bar on there. It's so much cooler. It does remove very easily, unlike the original one by Tesla. It is brighter and it's available today. Next, jumping right into the wheels. He chose our 20-inch fully forged CT7 wheels, finished in satin black, that really shows off the brake calipers that you could see we painted to match the frozen matte blue, and we reapplied the Cyber Beast logo in the Cyber font on the front caliper, tying in the blue and white exterior theme. But it's all about the tires, and these 20-inch XComp XT tires are really cool. They're 35s. That's about the biggest that you can go on a Cybertruck without any rubbing whatsoever. This is from the Gladiator brand owned by XComp. These tires are really great. They perform well. We offer them at T-sportline. They look really cool, especially in a 20-inch. I mean, your Cybertruck came with a 20-inch tire, and now there's two to choose from, right? There's the original one made by Goodyear, which was okay, kind of unique, designed for the aero covers, and now we have this new Pirelli tire, which is kind of basic, quite frankly. This is a really cool 20-inch tire, and something that everybody should consider if you're going to stay in that 20-inch range for your Cybertruck. Now, while the exterior looks amazing and the windows have been tinted, trust me, we are just getting started. Let's go inside and let me show you what we did over here. Have you ever seen an interior on a Cybertruck like this? Take a look at the front and rear seats that have been completely reupholstered using Rolls-Royce blue leather. Yes, we imported these hides from the tanneries in Europe that manufacture for Rolls-Royce, and this is exactly this Rolls-Royce blue. Of course, it has white contrast stitching because that matches the exterior theme. And then take a look at some of the little details, like the blue webbing on the seatbelts that have been completely reupholstered. But let's not ignore all of this matte carbon fiber interior decor. This is a world's first, Cybertruck fans, and I am so proud to go ahead and share this with you. This carbon fiber program is launching now, and it has been in the making for quite some time with us at T-sportline, because we wanted to make sure that we do it perfectly. And as you could see, the 5 interior decor pieces, starting with the lower dash, the 4 door panel inserts, which were originally white from Tesla and now are available in white finish or in a tactical gray finish, have been replaced with real carbon fiber with a perfect matte clear finish. This is the same weave, the same design, the same finish that Tesla has offered in the past on other performance model cars. We are the first to bring it to the Cybertruck interior. And then the steering wheel, completely reimagined. It is thicker. It has carbon fiber now on the top, on the bottom, reupholstered leather sides. It just feels so much better. The original Squircle steering wheel from Tesla, I think we can all agree, is a little awkward. It's a little bit odd. It's got a very thin gauge. It's something that we're not used to driving with. We reimagined it, and we went ahead and did it perfectly, and this is something that is available starting right now. So as you can see, the front and rear seats have been done. We've got carbon fiber, we've got blue accent seatbelt webbing, we've got white stitching to tie it all in, and this Cybertruck is all done. Thank you first and foremost to JK, the man behind XComp and the amazing Gladiator brand, for trusting T-sportline one more time with an off-the-charts build that I hope you all loved. I'd love to hear some comments below what you think about this very unique build, and please subscribe to our YouTube channel if you haven't already. We have so many more amazing videos coming your way soon.